Good morning, students. In your maths class on Wednesday, I taught you how to round off the numbers, and we have done exercise 1D till question number 13. Hope you all must have done your homework. One more thing I want to say that you all are free to clear your doubts. You can send your question in your group, and I will send the solution with the explanation. Now let's do question number 14. Question number 14. In this question, you have to estimate the sum to the nearest 100. 236 and 689. When you will estimate this to nearest 100, what you will see? You will underline the 100th place and you will see the 10th place. Now this 10th place is less than 5. So this number will remain same and both these will become 0. So it will be 200 and 689 is there. Now we have to round off to nearest 100. So we will underline the 100th place. We will see the 10th place. 10th place is more than 5. So this number will increase by 1. It will become 7 and both these digits will become 0. Now we will add it. Our answer is 900. Now let's do question number 16. Here it is 170 plus 395. 170, we have to round off to nearest 100 only. We will underline the 100 place. We will check the 10th place. This 7 is more than 5. So 100 place will increase by 1. So it will become 2 and both the digits will become 0. 395. Again this 9 is more than 5. This will become 4 and both these digits will become 0. Now we will add it. Question number 18. 5130, 1410. In this question also we have to round off to nearest 100 only. So we will underline the 100 digit and we will check the 10th digit. In 3 is less than 5. So this number will be rounded off to 5100. 1 is also less than 5. So this number will be rounded off to 1400. And now we can add it. Our answer is 6500. From question number 20, we have to estimate the sum to the nearest 1000. In 32,836 plus 16,466. We are rounding off to nearest 1000. So we will underline the 1000th digit and we will check the 100 digit. Now 8 is more than 5. So this number will increase by 1. It will become 3. It will become 33,000. And 4 is less than 5. So this 6 will remain same and this will be rounded off and it will become 16,000. Now we can add these. And our answer is 49,000. Question number 22. There are 54 balls in box A and 79 balls in box B. Estimate the total number of balls in both the boxes taken together. In this question now, we have to find the approximate number of balls in both the boxes together. So we will find the total number of balls by rounding off the number of balls in each box. Number of balls in box A equal to 54. Number of balls in box B equal to 79. We will round off 54 to nearest tens. We will check first digit and we will round off and it will become 50 because 4 is less than 5. Again we will round off 79 to nearest tens. This 9 is greater than 5. So this will increase by 1. It will become 8 and this will become 0. 130 is the approximate number of balls in both the boxes together. So estimated number of balls in total. It means in both the boxes A and B. Now question number 24. Question number 24. Estimate each difference to nearest tens. 97 minus 38. 97 minus 38. Now we will round off this to nearest tens. So we will underline the tens digit and we will check the ones digit. This 7 is more than 5. So this will increase by 1. 10, it will become 0. 38, this 8 is also more than 5. So we will increase this 3 by 1. It will become 4. It will become 0. We will subtract it. We have to find the difference. So our answer is 60. Why I am comparing it with 5? Do you remember that in the previous class I told you that the place to which we have to round off, हम उसको अंडरलाइन करते हैं, उससे कम वाली डिजिट को हम चेक करते हैं, या वी कैन से वी कंसिडर इट. इफ दिस डिजिट इज मोर देन 5, इट मीन्स अगर 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 होती है तो वी इंक्रीज द डिजिट टू बी राउंडेड ऑफ बाय 1. और अगर ये होती है 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, इट मीन्स अगर लेस देन 5 होती है तो दैट डिजिट, the place digit to which we have to round off, that remains the same. Now question number 26. Question number 26. Estimate each difference to the nearest 100. Our question is 678 minus 215. 678, 215. Round off to nearest 100. So we will underline the 100 digit. We will check the tens digit. This 7 is more than 5. So this 6 will increase by 1 and it will become 7. And both the digits will become 0. 1 is less than 5. So this 2 will remain same and both the digits will become 0. Now subtract it. The difference is 500. Question number 28. In this question also you have to estimate the difference to nearest 100. So we will underline the 100 digit. We will consider the tens digit. Underline the 100 digit, consider the tens digit. This tens digit is equal to 5. It means this 100 digit will increase by 1 and it will be rounded off and it will become 7,300. Now this 2 is less than 5. So this will remain same. So it will become 2,400. We have to find the difference. So we will subtract. Our answer is 4,900. Estimate each difference to the nearest 1,000. In question number 31, you have to estimate the difference to nearest 1,000. So we will underline the 1,000 digit in both the numbers and we will consider the 100 digit. This is 0. It means less than 5. So this will not this 100,000 place will not increase by 1. It will remain same. 47,000. This 4 is also less than 5. So it will also remain 39 only. It will become 39,000. Now we will subtract it. And our answer will be, it means our difference will be 8,000. Now in your homework, From question number 14, you have to do all those questions which I have not explained in this video.